How to recover your SafePal wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your SafePal wallet. In order to recover your SafePal wallet, you should have your recovery phrase or a private key. If you have that, then open your SafePal application on your mobile device, and here in this homepage, you will be able to see software wallet and hardware wallet. Here select the wallet that you have previously created. Once selected, you will be able to see different options in this pop-up. From here under import, you will need to select either mnemonic phrase or private key. Tap on this Buy Mnemonic Phrase option and then you will be asked to enter the security password. Enter the password and then you will be prompted to input your recovery phrase carefully in this field. Ensure that you enter the words in the correct order. You'll also need to enter and separate the words with spaces. After entering the recovery phrase, now here you will need to name your wallet. Tap on it and give your wallet a name. After that, tap on the import option right here. By doing so, you will see you have successfully recovered your SafePal wallet. Now you have gained access to your funds on this wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to recover your SafePal wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.